Welcome back to Karog 765, the channel where we explore the most legendary classic cars, trucks, campers, and forgotten American road giants ever built. If you love vintage machines, powerful engines, and rare automotive history, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another classic ride. Today, we are talking about one of the most impressive heavy-duty trucks of the 1970s, the legendary 1974 Dodge Bighorn. This massive truck was built during a time when American highways were dominated by chrome, diesel power, and bold designs. The Dodge Bighorn was not just a truck. It was a symbol of strength, long-distance trucking culture, and American engineering confidence. Back in the early 1970s, Dodge wanted to compete directly with heavy-duty truck giants like Kenworth, Peterbilt, and Mack. So Dodge introduced the Bighorn, a premium Class 8 semi-truck designed for serious highway hauling. The 1974 model became one of the most recognizable versions because of its aggressive front grille, huge cab, and luxurious features for drivers. At first glance, the 1974 Dodge Bighorn looked powerful and intimidating. It had a tall square body, a massive chrome grille, large round headlights, and a strong stance that immediately grabbed attention on the highway. Everything about this truck screamed durability. The long hood design gave it a classic American semi-truck appearance that still looks amazing today. One of the most interesting things about the Dodge Bighorn was the comfort it offered drivers. During the 1970s, many truck interiors were basic and rough. But Dodge wanted the Bighorn to feel more premium. Some versions came with upgraded seating, better insulation, extra storage space, and improved visibility. Long-haul drivers appreciated the spacious cab because they spent countless hours crossing America's highways. Under the hood, the 1974 Dodge Bighorn was available with several powerful diesel engine options. Many trucks used famous Cummins diesel engines that were known for reliability and torque. These engines were built for hauling heavy cargo over long distances without giving up under pressure. Drivers respected the Bighorn because it could handle difficult jobs while maintaining strong highway performance. The truck was also built with heavy-duty suspension systems and durable frames. Whether carrying construction equipment, industrial loads, or cross-country freight, the Bighorn was designed to survive tough working conditions. In the trucking world, reliability meant everything, and Dodge wanted this truck to prove it could stand beside the biggest names in the industry. Another reason the Dodge Bighorn became memorable was its appearance in American trucking culture. During the 1970s, trucking was becoming part of popular culture in movies, music, and television. Big chrome trucks rolling across endless highways represented freedom and adventure. The Bighorn fit perfectly into that era. It looked like a true road king. Even today, classic truck enthusiasts admire the 1974 Dodge Bighorn because it represents a golden age of American trucking. Restored examples are rare, but whenever one appears at a truck show, it attracts huge attention. People love the combination of vintage styling, diesel power, and old-school craftsmanship. One detail that fans especially appreciate is the truck's front-end styling. The chrome grille and bold Dodge badging gave the Bighorn a confident personality. Unlike modern aerodynamic trucks, the Bighorn had sharp lines and a muscular design that looked tough from every angle. It had character, and that is something many modern trucks struggle to match. Inside the cab, drivers enjoyed a commanding view of the road. Sitting high above traffic made drivers feel powerful and in control. The dashboard was simple but functional, with large gauges and durable controls designed for professional truckers. Everything was built with purpose. The Dodge Bighorn also had an important place in Dodge history because it represented the company's serious attempt to dominate the heavy truck market. While Dodge eventually left the heavy-duty semi-truck business, the Bighorn remains one of the most respected trucks the company ever produced. It showed that Dodge had the engineering ability to compete in the toughest commercial vehicle segment. Collectors today consider surviving Bighorn trucks highly valuable pieces of trucking history. Finding one in good condition is not easy because most were used hard for commercial work. Many trucks covered millions of miles before retirement. That makes restored examples even more special. For younger viewers who have never seen one on the road, the 1974 Dodge Bighorn may look oversized and old-fashioned compared to modern trucks. But during its era, this machine represented serious power, reliability, and pride for truck drivers across America. It was built in a time when trucks were designed to last and to make a statement. Listening to the deep sound of a classic diesel engine in a bighorn is something every truck fan should experience at least once. The rumble, the vibration, and the presence of the truck create a feeling that modern vehicles simply cannot copy. It reminds us of a different era of transportation and hardworking American industry. The legacy of the Dodge Bighorn continues because enthusiasts keep these trucks alive through restorations, truck shows, and online communities. Every restored Bighorn tells a story about America's highways, hardworking drivers, and the golden age of trucking. Thanks for watching today's video here on at Carog 765. If you enjoyed learning about the legendary 1974 Dodge Bighorn, make sure to like this video, leave a comment about your favorite classic truck, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing vintage vehicles from America's past. See you in the next video.